Morning.
Good morning, Nana. Vivi aboko there.
Eradi ado. Yeah, ho ye. That one so.
Nyame adomo.
South Africa for ho ye.
Chalo bia ho ye. Bia ho ye. Ghana na enko ye but
Ghana nko ye.
But we are
Edesi.
Oh, na say ni okan say Nana. This response I free Adu Boahen lawyer sorry.
Yes.
Before the law no. Is there not something called morality? Anna? Is there nothing like that? So if I'm a lawyer and somebody comes to me with such a case, especially after the expose Attorney General Mano, I don't think that you should write this letter.
I see.
Because this letter defeats the purpose of logic. This letter is a letter that makes all of us look as, let me mind my language, but I'll be very emphatic that this letter makes us all look like we are stupid. Nana, but you don't categorically state that the Adu Boahen guy is an honest person. He came with this through the CIP center. Nana, we were in this country when people were arrested in church, all in the name of say there should be accountability. We are public official there. You can't run away from it. So I think that it is best that we manage these circumstances very well, because everybody in government or every politician will believe say you can loot and then there will be lawyers that will defend you. I think
but my microphone
yes, every you kind of saying politician will think say you can loot and then at the end of the day use part of that same money to get legal representation. I think say going forward, there are going to be a lot of constitutional reviews to do with the constitution of the Republic of Ghana. As time goes on, Anna, we'll talk more about
the position you are taking, and the lawyers of Adu Boahen, said that is prejudicial. You are almost conclusive in your thoughts. Say Nipano a criminal, but he is simply telling you, say, no individual in this country, and be pronounce you be say or a criminal until say that person has gone through a criminal trial. I'm a court, judgment, whether a sentence or conviction about to indicate say Nipano a guilty of the charges at your level against him. And almost the same thing announced we Anna.
Have you listened to what the Attorney General said yesterday? In fact, the Attorney General gave us instances irrefutable. Look at the properties that they speak about. The gentleman has got. Is he denying them that those are his properties? Nana, in public service, for you to be able to amass wealth, and he has been working in the last 8 years, right? From what we are told, no. When Nana Ado got into the presidency, he has been at that position till they left office. And within 8 years, you can amass wealth to that level. Nana, have you read about, especially private company setups now on any year? You don't need a lawyer or you don't need to be a law graduate to know that this is criminal. And we've been in this country when an attorney general, former attorney general, what did that former attorney general do? And then we have an attorney general that comes to us with the facts. We are not being prejudicial. What we are saying is that this clearly points to looting of state resources. Forget about those charges that will go to court and all that. This one, I say, it's a deliberate attempt to loot every resources that we use to develop this country for the next generation. And look, we can say all we want to say, but it's a bad case. And it is an affront to the democracy that we promised ourselves, as a country we are going to embark on. But when you apply common sense to what has happened, I think somebody like Adu Boahen, or other platforms there should not be anything like jail sentence or something. Recover the loot. I'm happy Oral is coming in to recover those loots. At the end of the day, the property still remains with them. It becomes an issue. I'm sure Attorney General he would ensure the proper thing is done. Let's get the money to develop the country for the unborn generations. As simple as that.
But as an attorney general, first of all, your duty is to advise the government on a lot of legal issues. again, at any point in time, you are the most important person that will go with a year state prosecution.
Yes.
I mean, why your investigation? What find it out? I mean, why establish a prima facie? So there is a substance in anything that was suspected. In terms of wrongdoing.
Yes.
The most important thing you do is to proceed to court.
Yes.
With the level of evidence a crowd. Now, why have we taken the position that we would want to come into the public domain, engage in press conferences, and sana finally, no, sadansi bi crowd what the year can hua yetimi edi court.
But the Attorney General is deviating from the norm. I say previous Attorney General Godfrey Dami will not come in and explain to you the reasons why he's prosecuting. This Attorney General has opened up himself, or say, let's have a conversation. Let's know what I'm doing as an Attorney General, why somebody has been picked up, why somebody has been arrested, or why somebody has been charged. Nana, what is happening right now? No, and yet just economic mismanagement, oh Nana. What the Attorney General gave us yesterday is a proof of systematic loot. Nana, when our president, John Dramani Mahama, said that Ghana was a crime scene, most people said no, he can't say that. Today, we are more than a crime scene. What I'm telling you, Nana, and it's the Attorney General, like you said, he's a chief legal counsel to the president and also for all criminal prosecutions that the state will go through. Nana, in the days to come, like the Attorney General indicated, we are going to know exactly what has happened, the watertight evidence that they have at the Attorney General's office. There'll be state prosecutors, we'll go to court, and whatever happens, Nana, you and I would indeed come to the realization, say, this Attorney General is different from all Attorney Generals that we've ever had. And it is going to happen that way.
Very well. But my lawyer said,